Welcome back, guys. It's Mr. Friday. It's Tuesday. This is usually our day for Tech Day, and it's 6:30 in the morning. We need to beat the heat. We have Gabe over here. He's just playing around with stuff, drinking some water. He came over here expecting that his engine was blown, which it wasn't. Could you explain what just happened, Gabe?
So, basically my vacuum line for my map sensor blew off, and this whole time I was like trying to chase these other things. I thought my distributor plug was bad, my spark plugs were bad, or my coil packs. Like I was checking everything, and it was very simple. It was a stupid vacuum line for the map sensor.
So the map sensor is very important. It reads pretty much everything that needs to happen in the engine in order to give the right fuel. He was checking everything. I won't show you his ghetto-ness on his distributor plug because it's pretty ghetto. But yeah, we're going to change injectors. My 800s that I have, those are actually his. He gave them to me a while ago. And I'm going to drop down to 550s. I don't boost as much. I know Gabe wants to start boosting a little bit more. And he also has he already has better fuel system, everything that's meant for it. He has, what is it, 455?
Yeah, 455.
455 fuel pump. He has all new fuel lines. He has a better fuel pressure regulator. So his is actually better set up for the 800s. Mine are not. I will be upgrading. I think we will both be upgrading to top feed injectors in just like in the near future. But yeah, keep watching. We'll be doing some work injectors now. Good job, Gabe.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, taking off a throttle body.
Look at this nice valve cover. It's sparkly and it's dirty.
It got dirty in like a couple weeks. That's nuts.
You know, I like the sound of like when it's on your car, when that blows off. I like the sound of it. You don't hear it?
I think I hear it. Sometimes I hear it. You guys probably heard it more on that Fuku day.
Yeah. It did sound freaking good. Like, I can't hear mine. My car's too loud. But inside the car, it sounds like pretty freaking amazing.
Yeah. You didn't even drive this.
I haven't driven this yet. I want to drive this.
Yeah, it's freaking hot.
It's too hot.
It sucks. It sucks because it's so different with 120 on the IATs. It's horrible.
Yeah. Well, I'm pretty much already got my stuff out. Just need to take off the top plate that holds the injectors, and then just waiting on Gabe to finish his. Yeah, definitely for some coffee. Oh yeah, here's something. I have money. I have a little bit of money. So if you like, let me know down in the comments if you want me to paint my car first because of this, so it looks a little bit prettier again, or let me know if you want me to do a meth injection kit. I'll do an install of a meth injection. I have a little bit of extra money to do that. So those are my two projects. Either get this back painted, that little on my left rear quarter panel, or get meth injection. Comments what you want me to do, as Gabe hurts himself. So I'm going to take off my fuel pressure or fuel injectors off and wait for Gabe. so we got the 550s in here and the 800s in here. Oops. So now I'm gonna go into my laptop. I'm already connected, and I'm gonna put in the numbers from whatever Gabe had, which was 11. So with mine, my numbers that I had was 6 milliseconds with 20% master fuel trim. And for Gabe's, it is 11, right?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, it's Roma.
What up, Rufio? What you doing? Oh, going in the race car? Alright. Seems like it's idling good now. Alright, we're safe. We're good. Goat sheep. Goat sheep. Holy smokes. Running. Easy peasy. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Cut.
Nose it in. Nose it in. Back around, nose it in.
What's up, guys? Alright, so we're gonna be removing this fuse box and we're gonna be putting it inside our trunk right here. It's a horrible mess. Yeah, that's just what happens when you're building your car and you just keep a bunch of crap in there just in case. And so what's gonna happen is this harness that Cole is removing that connects to the body is going to go through this quarter panel into the trunk. Everything under this fuse box is going to get plugged here and get beautifully mounted in some form with the bracket. Beautifully mounted. And Cole hates me for this. I'm just kidding. He's like, what is the reason for wire tuck? No power gains at all.
None.
Yeah, no power gains. I'm just doing it for aesthetics, obviously. And yeah, well, here's Ashley.
I figure why it's not blowing cold air out.
Because you're standing in front of it.
It's hot though. I want cold air.
Well,
I
it's
think
not
I broke
cool.
it.
No, it just needs time to cool down everything again.
Alright, this is Gabe edition. I'm recording. Cole's also working, and I'm gonna be working. Cole's happy.
Good.
Just as happy as me, because I'm gonna have a wire tuck. I'm gonna have a beautiful fuse box in my trunk, and it won't be in the engine bay anymore. So I'm very excited. Okay, and we've made progress. I took off two 10mm bolts,
Little cup.
and Cole's under here.
So I'll show you what I'm doing.
Look at this cute little cup.
You're a cute little cup.
Look how tiny it is.
Oh my god, you look
Look.
like a cup.
Look, it's so tiny.
So what I have here, I don't know if you can kind of see, this whole harness, there's a whole bunch of plugs here, here, and also this junction box right here. So I am going to take that off. All these connectors are off. And then that should be it for the front to get the harness out of the engine or the whole cockpit. And yeah, so take off one of these nuts, pull off that harness, and then everything else gets pulled out from here. So let's get going. Let's do it.
What's your name?
Ashley, what's your name?
How do we not wear it out?
Ashley, I don't know. Oh, I'm MR2 Queen.
Oh yeah, that's right. We call you MR2 Queen. That's how we not wear it out.
That's my name now.
Yep, because she has this beautiful MR2 outside that you won't see. Sorry, it's too bright outside. But, you know, all of this is very exciting. One thing to remind you guys is to always remove your battery. And my beautiful zip ties are holding this battery tie down. You know, safety first. Safety first, right guys? Always wear a condom. I meant always use zip ties. Look at this. We're in Vegas, and we got an AC unit in the garage.
And it's still butt ass hot.
Still hot, but better than nothing. This is baller status right here. Alright guys, and she's in. It's not very beautiful. I'm gonna make a bracket to mount this and probably extend some wires if we have to. And damn, it's a lot emptier. A lot emptier. There's a lot that had to happen here. A hole was cut right here inside the quarter panel. You won't be able to see that. And Cole is a half happy man.
No, what are you talking
And Ashley's
about?
Drinking out of her cute little cup with a bendy straw.
Yep.
Nothing ever faced me.
Adorable. I'm happy.
Guys, I have this rare phobia. It's called what?
I don't know, the tryptophobia.
Tryptophobia.
Oh my god.
I never had it before until I got in a car accident.
Tryptophobia.
Yeah, it's like where you see a whole bunch of holes. It makes you feel weird.
I don't feel weird.
Is that on YouTube?
It's going on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube, guys. I can cut it out if you'd like. Or Cole can cut it out technically.
No, I don't care.
I don't care. Let's go cool off inside.
Yep, he's having a michelada for breakfast.
Alright, so still on tech day. We got Daniel right over here. And we got his 350Z. And we are going to put in a quick release steering wheel. Steering wheel, it's hot still. It's 12 o'clock. So we got done with Gabe's wire tuck. We changed out our injectors. Now we are going to do the steering wheel. So I'm gonna maybe I'll show you, I don't know. Maybe. But so far, to get this out, this is my first time doing this, to be honest. So you got these right here. That should take off that front plate of the steering wheel. Oh no, it's one of those safety ones. I have that. Safety ones, I'll take off this right here. And then we're going to take off the wheel nut through there, pop it out, and then put in the new steering wheel. Yep. So what I did to take out the airbag, right here, it's T30. I already stripped this out, sorry. I already stripped that out, but it's a T30 security with a small hole in there. Bap bap. 19 mil steering wheel nut. Pop that out, blap blap. And then we're gonna use this whole thing because he wants cruise control. And get ready to blap blap. Put a new steering wheel on. Alright, always make sure that the steering wheel is straight. That way we know where straight is. We know that it's straight. So the steering will be straight. as you saw, I left the nut in here because if I would have kept hitting it, it would probably smack me in the face. There's that. Steering wheel off. So what I have right here, so Daniel got himself the D&D little bracket that goes on for your cruise control. This goes on right here. You have your hub. Alright, well, we got this in. It's hot. I didn't want to record everything, but it works. Horn works, cruise controls works, horn works,
God damn it, Gabe.
cruise works, everything. But yeah, this is his car. Torque the what do you call it? The steering nut, and everything is good. Everything turns. Everything is fine. Everything is good.
Legit.
So that's that. As Gabe plays with stuff.
He plays with himself.
I'm inviting myself into your car, sorry.
That's okay. I touch your car all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, kinky. What's been in here? I don't know.
Two-step.
Look, watch him, look, let's watch his bumper.
Oh, God.
Watch.
No.
Oh no!
Oh, he made it. Oh! Back up!
No, go back. Shit.
Oh
We
my
scared him.
God.
We
He
scared
could've
him.
went forward and would have just.
So it's the end of the day. Everyone's gone. Didn't really film much because we were just hanging out, but we did a lot of progress today. Changed out fuel injectors, switched mine from Gabe's 800. I'm down to 550 now in super injectors. Gabe's at 800 in cc injectors. Let's see, we did a wire tuck on Gabe's car. We did a steering wheel in the 350Z on my buddy's Daniel's car, and we just ate a little bit. We ended up having a good amount of cars, one BRZ, a few MR2s, and it felt like a good day. So if you like this content, things like that, leave a comment, let me know. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I have a little bit of extra cash, so if you want to see my car get painted again by Mako, let me know. If you want to see me do an install on meth injection, let me know, because I have a little bit of cash. Maybe I'll save a little bit more in order for me to get that as an install, and a little bit better for the cooling for the engine. But yeah, if you can, please like, comment, subscribe. Helps out a lot. See you on the next video. Peace out. Thumbs up. Bye.
Take me tonight.